A big breaking news coming in now, and this is with regards to the investigation which is happening. Now what sources in the Delhi police are telling our reporters is that this I-20 car which was used for the blast, in fact which exploded, had multiple owners, that it was sold off and bought multiple times. And now there is a Pulwama link to the blast which has happened in Delhi at 6:52 p.m. earlier today. Sources saying that their fake documents were used for buying and selling of this car. The real owner is still not clear. Earlier today, remember, Delhi police had detained a man named Salman, who was the original owner of this vehicle which had a Haryana number plate. And now what sources are saying that there is a possibility of a Pulwama link, because this car was sold to multiple owners and was sold on multiple occasions, and one occasion was also the day on which the Pulwama blast took place. So this is now leading to several links being built by the investigating agencies. As we have been saying, it's a multi-agency probe. There is the National Investigation Agency, which is probing the other possible terror angle. There is the National Security Guards. There is the Delhi Police Special Cell. There is UPATS. All these investigating agencies are looking at all possible angles to this blast which took place earlier today, very close to where I am. This is next to the Red Fort, the iconic Red Fort, and that's where this incident happened. What sources are now telling us is that there is a possibility of a Pulwama link to this blast which happened in Delhi. The I-20 car, which actually was used for this explosion, was actually sold off to multiple owners, and all this happened through fake documents. So fake documents used for selling and purchasing of this vehicle. And so when we say a Pulwama link, Shreya is joining us. She got us this piece of breaking news. When we say Pulwama link, Shreya, what does it actually mean? One of the dates on which this vehicle was sold was the day of Pulwama terror attack. Correct me. Okay, we'll try and connect with Shreya in just a bit. But yes, the details which are coming in is that this vehicle was sold off and purchased using fake documents. That's what the investigating agencies are telling us. And the original owner was a man named Salman, who claims now that he had sold off this vehicle. सुशांत मेहरा is joining us. सुशांत, ये जो पुलवामा लिंक के बारे में दिल्ली पुलिस बता रही है आपको, उसका डिटेल्स दीजिए.
देखिए, फिलहाल अभी मैं जिस वक्त यहाँ पर मौजूद हूँ, ये जहाँ पर ये पूरा ब्लास्ट हुआ था, अब एनएसजी की जो टीम है वो पूरी तरीके से यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है वो कर रही है डॉग स्क्वाड्स के साथ. एक गाड़ियाँ जो कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के अंदर इसमें हादसे, इस पूरी बम जो ब्लास्ट हुआ था उसमें कहीं ना कहीं इम्पैक्ट हुआ, तो उन तमाम गाड़ियों की जांच जो है वो एनएसजी की टीम इस वक्त जो है वो कर रही है. ये तस्वीरें एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीरें हैं जो कि एनएसजी की टीम अब घटना स्थल पर जो है वो पहुंची है. चप्पे चप्पे पर हर फुटेज, हर जगह पर जो है वो डॉग स्क्वाड्स की मदद जो है वो ली जा रही है. तस्वीरें आप देखिए कि आज तक पर किस तरीके से यहाँ पर एनएसजी की जो टीम, दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम है, अलग अलग एजेंसियां इस वक्त पहुंच चुकी हैं चांदनी चौक का वो लाल किले का हिस्सा जहां पर ये पूरा धमाका हुआ. और आप ये देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर कई गाड़ियां जो है वो, उनके हिस्से इस वक्त जो है वो आपको सड़क पर बिखरे हुए नजर आएंगे. पुलवामा अटैक को भी लेकर के कई सारे एंगल जो है वो दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से जो है वो जांच जो है वो की जा रही है. तमाम एजेंसियां जो है वो जांच कर रही है. तमाम जो सबूत है उनको यहाँ पर इकट्ठा जो है वो किया जा रहा है सुरक्षा एजेंसियों की तरफ से. फिलहाल ये तस्वीरें लाल किले की तरफ से हम कोशिश करेंगे कि देखिए यहाँ आसपास की जो गाड़ियाँ हैं उनमें कितना डैमेज हुआ है. एक एक गाड़ियाँ जो है वो आपको यहाँ पर डैमेज जो है वो नज़र आएंगी. गाड़ियों के शीशे सड़कों से कितनी दूर जो है वो पहुँचे हैं आप ये तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं. इसके अलावा कई हिस्सों पर गाड़ियाँ जो है वो यहाँ पर आपको फिलहाल इस वक्त जो है वो नज़र आएंगी.
सुशांत हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए. श्रेया is joining us as well. Shreya, give us the latest in the investigation.
Well, the latest from the investigation is that the link of the car being transferred from Salman has appeared to be to one Tariq. Tariq is a resident of Pulwama. So obviously the name itself is raising eyebrows, and that is the reason a lot of thing is probably going to be speculative, but we haven't got any official confirmation, Maria, that whether this was a terror attack, whether this was an accidental detonation of any explosives that were being carried, inflammable, I beg your pardon. So all these things are yet to be confirmed. The only reason that we are still probably suspecting that we can get some confirmation is because look at the kind of investigation on its way. The NSG team, the UP, ATS, everyone right now on the ground are working to piece together the puzzle. What we are right now learning is that Tariq is being looked at. Where is Tariq right now? The police is trying to catch a word from him. He will be detained and questioned. And once those things are done, we will get an official confirmation like what really transpired. But the car has exchanged multiple hands, and now after Salman, it has been traced to be linked with one Tariq, who is a resident of Pulwama.
So, okay, so what we can tell our viewers is that this is linked to a resident of Pulwama, has nothing to do with Pulwama terror attack as of now. That's what it's a subject of investigation, as we have been saying. There are several angles which are being probed by the investigating agencies. So Salman sold off this car, I-20, to a person named Tariq, who's a resident of Pulwama. And fake documents being used is what sources are telling you, Shreya?
Well, fake documents, multiple hands exchanged, that has been confirmed. But whether this is a bad practice or something, a planning and plotting of a terror attack, that hasn't been confirmed. So that will only happen once Tariq is questioned. When did he buy the car? And we still don't know that whether it's exchanged further hands from Tariq. This is the second person in picture who's come up after questioning Salman that where did the car go, and after verifying with the RTO details, the Delhi police has landed it before Tariq. But further information on what went on is it yet to be confirmed. However, we can confirm that Tariq is a resident of Pulwama, and he has been found to be the last owner of this Hyundai i20 car in which the blast took place at this very stretch of the Netaji Subhash Marg Road.
Okay, Shreya, continue to be with us. A word from Sushant, and I'm coming back to you, and then we'll be playing out the eyewitness accounts as well. Sushant, जहां पर आप हैं, वहां पर क्या investigating agencies अभी भी हैं या वो लोग जा चुकी हैं?
गाड़ियों के हिस्से थे जो सड़कों पर बिखरे हैं, उन सब की इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है वो यहाँ पर एनएसजी की टीम जो है वो कर रही है। दिल्ली पुलिस और तमाम सुरक्षा एजेंसी, स्पेशल सेल हो चाहे वो दिल्ली पुलिस के अलग अलग सेल्स हो, वो एकाएक इस पूरे घटना स्थल की जो है वो जांच कर रही है। एक एक जो हिस्से हैं गाड़ियों के जो बिखरे हुए हैं, उन सब की जांच जो है वो इस वक्त यहाँ पर एनएसजी की टीम जो है वो कर रही है। आप तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं कि जब ये पूरी घटना हुई उसके बाद से ही लगातार तमाम एजेंसियाँ जो है वो अलर्ट मोड पर हैं और एक एक जो हिस्सा है, एक एक जो घटना है, उस पूरी घटना की बारीकी से जांच जो है वो इस वक्त जो है वो की जा रही है ताकि ये सबूत इकट्ठा किया जा सके कि आखिरकार इस पूरे जो धमाका हुआ है उसके पीछे जो है वो वजह क्या थी। क्या ये टेरर अटैक है या फिर एक्सप्लोसिव है या फिर अगर कहा जाए तो सीएनजी ब्लास्ट है जिसमें कई लोगों की जान चली गई, कई लोग घायल हैं। अभी आप तस्वीरें देखें कि मैं आपको दिखा दूं, जब ये पूरी घटना हुई उसमें आसपास जो जितनी गाड़ियां थी उनमें कितना डैमेज हुआ है उसका अंदाज़ा आप लगाइए। उन सब की जांच जो है वो यहाँ पर अब सुरक्षा एजेंसियों की टीमों की तरफ से जो है वो की जा रही है। ये घटना स्थल है जहाँ पर ये पूरा हादसा हुआ। मैं ठीक मेरे सामने अगर आप देखेंगे, मैं अपने कैमरामैन से कहूँगा कि वो तस्वीरें दिखाएं। ये वो घटना स्थल है जहाँ पर जिस गाड़ी के अंदर ये धमाका हुआ उसके आसपास बैक टू बैक 2 से 3 गाड़ियाँ जो है वो मौजूद हैं। आसपास और भी कई सारी गाड़ियाँ हैं जिनके हिस्से जो है वो बिखर के सड़क की दूसरी तरफ आए। कई गाड़ियाँ जो है वो डैमेज हुई हैं। अभी भी कई हिस्से जो है वो गाड़ी के सड़कों पर बिखरे हुए आपको जो है वो नज़र आएंगे। ये देखिए कि इस तरीके से जो गाड़ी थी उनके कई हिस्से इस वक्त जो है वो यहाँ पर आपको नज़र आएंगे। इसके अलावा सड़क के उस तरफ तमाम जो सुरक्षा एजेंसी हैं और वो इस वक्त जांच कर रही हैं, एक एक हर एंगल से इस पूरे घटनाक्रम की जांच जो है वो की जा रही है कि आखिरकार इस पूरे धमाके के पीछे क्या वजह रही, क्या इसके पीछे कारण थे, क्योंकि जो ये धमाका था वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा धमाका था और इसके धमाके के बाद से ही लगातार सुरक्षा एजेंसियां जो है वो अलर्ट पर हैं और उसकी जांच जो है वो की जा रही है। कैमरा पर्सन अनिल जायसवाल के साथ सुशांत मेहरा, दिल्ली, आज तक।
All right, a word now from Shreya before we end this broadcast. Shreya, at 6:52 is when the blast happens. The investigating agencies have started doing their job. The details are still very sketchy. It appears to be a case of high-intensity blast. All angles are being explored, is investigated also, is being said by the Home Minister. When you arrived here, minutes after the blast happened, what did you see? Okay, Shreya, if you can hear me. Shreya, if you heard me. Shreya, my question is,
Repeat the question once again.
when you reached here, the incident happened at 6:52. You were here by 7:15, 7:30. What did you see?
Well, what I saw at that point of time, a lot of ambulances were moving from this location because all those ones who were injured, that was one of the first response to take them away. There were 7 fire tender vehicles at spot. Some of them you can see are still stationed over here. They were dousing the flames and the cooling off operation was going on. And after that, we saw one by one the special cell team reach, the NIA team reach, the NSG team reach. All of them came down one by one. These are the information that we saw happening right in front of our eyes. And as I talk, Maria, I want to confirm that we've got the photo of Tariq. Tariq is the one who's right now being said to be the person who's finally been the main owner of the car. He's being told, and as I talk, information is coming. He's from Shambhura village in Pulwama is what is being told. So clearly, there is a lot of things that needs to be looked at, and we are still waiting for an official confirmation. But because of the fact that a Pulwama link has now turned out, probably the eyes are also looking at that whether or not this is anything to do with the recent module, even though earlier we got a confirmation from the police sources that the Faridabad module had nothing to do with it. But remember that the arrests that were made in the Faridabad module were also 2 people from Jammu and Kashmir. And now with this car owner, Tariq, being linked to Pulwama, there are a lot of questioning that needs to be done before we finally zero in on what transpired here.
Okay, so Tariq, a resident of Pulwama, was perhaps the last owner of this vehicle. As Shreya has been reporting, this vehicle, I-20 with a Haryana number plate, has exchanged multiple hands, and fake IDs and fake documents were being used to purchase and sell this car. Now the image of Tariq has been accessed by India Today. You can see Tariq, who's a resident of Pulwama, on your screen. He's the last owner of this vehicle and is being questioned and interrogated by the cops for the blast incident which happened in Delhi.